I was gifted these ice cube trays for review, and I'm excited to tell you about them. This larger size comes in a set of 2, and this smaller size comes in a set of 4. And there's a couple features that I really love about these ice cube trays. First of all, the big one is really sturdy. I think there's a wire or something in here, so you don't have to worry about it being flimsy once you fill it with water. And the little one, it doesn't seem to have a wire, but it's still much thicker and much sturdier, and it's got some body to it. The bottoms easily pop up, so you'll be able to get the ice cubes out. And the ice cube trays come with a lid, which is a real game changer for me. Now, you know, one of the hardest things about using these types of silicone ice cube trays is getting that from the sink to the freezer without spilling it. But these are great because you fill them up like you want them. And then there is the lid. Let me show you the lid. There's the lid right here. And you just pop the lid on like that. And then you can easily transport it without worrying about it spilling. You can easily stack them inside of your freezer, just like that, and you don't have to worry about them spilling when you go to close it. And this one I froze last night, so we'll take the lid off. They look pretty good, and see how easily they pop out. There you go. You have a large cube. So if you're looking for some silicone ice cube trays, I highly recommend these. I don't think you'll be disappointed.